To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
You can call her sister. Woman of God.
Respect you. Woman like you is hard to find. You understand me I say? And support. I mean, I have to give a compliment. It's just a compliment.
Listen, a woman like me don't hard to find. You just don't want a woman like me because the type of living where you do not go match my type of living.
What you talk about?
What me I talk about? Me I tell you the truth. See, only can't angle the truth.
No, the truth is always the truth, but it's not my truth.
You have to talk about you see this here? Millions this, you know?
You don't have to tell me.
Millions this, you know?
You don't have to tell me. What you
money.
I make a reason to you about still for show, you know.
Remember, say we fi talk, you know. What on, man? We fi talk.
That's what I reason, yes.
Watch out. Me have to talk from our day. We tell him to we have a split this thing. Cause me I say.
You know, say come like God a reason with them, you. Cause that me come to talk to you about, you know.
Serious?
Believe in me, daddy. Cause me say, you know, say, cause me say, you know. Me pray the thing, and me say, you know, say, it like it does in a share right, you know. Cause in a one way, me I say, as a youth, hard working and sound style. You can't give your last, you know. You know them way there?
Yes, sir.
So you have to take care of people and deal it good.
Right.
So night time I say, boy, the 50-50 thing, you know, go work, dog, you see? Come and say, I can't give 50 of my thing. I go to thief for myself.
You have a piece, you know, peace, you know.
A normal pre-man. What a normal pre-man. That's a man, big up yourself. And big up your Rasta friend self, you know. You ain't two only can big up on yourself. Watch a man, you know why you know. Watch a man, you know why you know more about where you are talk about.
A normal pre-man.
You don't understand what really are going, but yet you come like say aside you start pick.
No, why
you
would
watch a man dreams yourself, man. I don't want your dreams see me because watch on the things are going on in my life right now. How my plans that we have now work out, you know. And you can't tell me about dream. One day if I hear your dream, they might hold back enough things.
Always.
Never hustle, you know, and all of them sitting here just right now, nothing not going my way. Piece of food for reach me, can't reach me now, cause what? Yeah, your dream.
You know why you not reach out? Because you're not pray. You're not fast. You're not go to church. You're not show love. You understand? So each time when I did it, I talk on phone and I tell a friend them this and tell her that, boy, we go pray.
Eh? You gonna buy a machine? Oh, okay. Me see now. You never see a tunnel without a lane. Me see what go on now. So you want the girl? Yeah, look, Marika. Oh, so you look, eat that people now. Eh?
Just calm now. Let go get some food. Because anything you're hungry, you're not yourself. Wow.